Hello my friends, welcome back to Slow English with Milo. In the last video, we talked about grammar. I told you, don't learn grammar first. Maybe you asked yourself, Milo, if I don't study grammar, what should I do? The answer is simple, you must listen. Today, I will tell you why listening is the magic key to English. Why is listening so important? When you listen, you learn many things at the same time. You learn how to pronounce words correctly. You hear the rhythm of the language. You hear when the voice goes up and when it goes down. Most importantly, your brain learns how to connect words. If you only read books, you see English with your eyes, but English is a living language. You must feel it with your ears. When you listen enough, one day, you will start speaking naturally. You don't have to translate in your head. The words just come out. But wait, not all listening is good. If you listen to a very fast news report and you understand 0%, you are wasting your time. Your brain needs understandable input. This means you should listen to English that you understand about 70 to 80%. If it is too hard, you feel bored. If it is too easy, you don't learn. That is why I speak slowly here. My goal is to help your brain understand, relax, and grow. Here is a small trick for you today. Don't listen for 3 hours in one day. That is too much. Instead, listen for 15 minutes every morning and 15 minutes every night. Listen to the same story many times. The first time, you understand the idea. The second time, you hear new words. The third time, you remember the sounds. Repetition is the mother of skill. Don't be afraid to listen to one video 5 times. Now, I want to ask you, how many minutes do you listen to English every day? Be honest. Tell me in the comments, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. There is no wrong answer. We are all starting our journey. If you like this series, please share it with a friend who wants to learn English. Thank you for listening to Milo today. In the next video, I will show you how to learn 10 new words every day without forgetting them. See you next time. Goodbye.